The 1 minute challenge. So today's challenge is going to be continuous kicking for 1 minute on each leg. So that tallies up to 4 minutes of drills. We're going to do 2 minutes on each leg in 1 minute intervals, okay? And I will be doing a 10-second break in between, so you can just rest that leg before you go again. There are absolutely no requirements, so as to how high you're kicking, how many kicks you do, how many times you place your foot on the floor. Just take it at completely your own pace. You can hold on to something if you wish. You can do it freehand, entirely up to you. I'm going to show you holding on to something, but again, you don't have to do that. And again, I'll probably vary the height as well, just to make it a bit more interesting. So take it at your own pace, guys. Have fun with it, and let's get cracking with day 1 of the 1 minute challenge. Sounds easy, the 1 minute challenge, but it actually isn't that easy. But I'm gonna have lots of fun with you all doing this challenge. Take care guys, stay safe during all this craziness, and be prepared for tomorrow's 1 minute challenge. I'll catch you then. Bye guys.